All right, guys, you know what time it is. Job review. All right, job number one is a manual QA analyst, 60 to 70K, a little low. We want at least 70, 75K, but it is remote. And what I love is it is a all manual QA analyst role. Nothing deep here. All of you guys can position and apply. All right, job number two is a QA analyst on the Apple team. It says 46 to 62 an hour. It is remote. Again, I'm not going to read all of this. You can get the links inside of the caption, and this is your day-to-day. Nothing that all of you can't do. Let's position and apply. Then you have job number three, a QA tester with People Caddy, 40 to 48 per hour, W2 hourly, and it is in Chicago, Illinois, remote. So again, this is all core QA responsibilities, nothing that every single one of you can't do. All of my students get access and actually learn and get this experience in my internship here. And this also says experience with ad hoc query programs, automated testing tools, but it says preferred. But ultimately, this is your qualifications. And last one for today is quality assurance engineer, 62 to 92, remote. Again, I'm going to put the link inside of the caption. But look, I want you guys to read all of this and position and apply. There's no reason why all of you can't apply for this role. But if you have health insurance or insurance background, you are a major plus. And automation is a plus.